Hey Duncan, do you want to build Lego?
Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and today we're going to be building day 2 of our Lego Advent Calendar. And Duncan here might give us a hand along the way, or he might just want to taste things.
Mwah. Okie dokie. Okie Dinah. It's like, oh, Uncle Aaron, I did not know you felt this way. Their hands taste interesting. Hey, buddy.
All right. So, yeah, I'm going to open up the flap here for day 2. I guess Duncan decided he doesn't want to do Lego right now. He's more of a Mega Bloks guy. No accounting for taste. All right, so this looks like a minifigure from what I can see, with an accessory. And yeah, it's just a minifigure with a 5 coin. Okay, so nothing like super exciting, but I guess we get to assemble the minifigure. You can tell, like, compared to yesterday, slightly anticlimactic. Gotta get that crinkling plastic on camera. All right, so we get the torso. He's like wearing a little parka or like a winter coat. It's a kid Lego man, so, or minifigure, so he doesn't have bendable legs. He's just got like little stubby ones. See if we can see that there. I think they introduced the stubby ones. It's around the time they did like a revision of the Harry Potter Lego, I think. And then they started rolling out the stubby legs for all sorts of other stuff. Little freckled face. If you can see that there. And he's got 2 faces. So he's got the, like a scowl or like a fear face. Like that. And then he's got a little toque. Little Lego toque. If I can figure out which orientation this goes on. I find with some of the newer Lego, the hats are a little fussy. So you can see he's very happy. He has his $5 or 5-cent coin. Maybe it's like a Dutch krona or a Danish, I don't know. Something is Danish coin, because Lego is Danish. So yeah, he's super happy because he's got 2. So set him over here. And yeah, I guess that's about it for today. It's a little lackluster, but that's kind of the thing with, I guess, a lot of these toy advent calendars is some days you get like a fairly big thing or like a certain type of item. And obviously with the minifigures, they cost more to manufacture and they're a little more expensive, more intensive, because they do like pad printing for the front and back and everything for the face and clothes. So I guess it's more expensive, so it balances out in theory, but yeah, should be fun. And I'm sure that for play options, it adds a lot more to things. And yeah, you can tell I'm a little let down, but yeah, there's always tomorrow. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you give us a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you ring the bell for notifications for every time we upload videos. So we're doing, like I said before, we are doing these videos for the 24 days of Advent. We're filming and posting the same day, and we're going to continue our regular broadcasting schedule as well on top of that, best that we can. And yeah, please leave us a comment down below if you have any Christmas traditions of your own. I know we've got our own stuff that we'll probably get into in the next few videos, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.